Hi, this is Mike here, and I did a first impression review of the iGogo Alps foldable electric bike. Someone asked me, how does the battery look like and what's it look like when you take it out? So it's like this. It's right in here. There's a little clip up there in the top right-hand side that holds it in place. You just pull this out with a hook. As you can see, it's a little bit curved to fit with the profile of the bike itself. Now, my problem with that, as I mentioned in my review, is that there's no way to secure the bike battery inside the bike itself while you have it locked up. So my advice is, if you're going to lock it up for a bit of an extended period of time, go ahead and take the battery out. Another problem, of course, was the folding, and I often have trouble with releasing that lever down there in the middle. And sometimes it just takes a little bit of work. It might help with a tool in place, but folding just kind of looks like this. As you can see, it's still a bit wide, and that's why I said at 16 inches is more appropriate versus the 13 advertised.